Up everybody, we are shooting the Woodwork challenge right now. We just found a bunny. Yeah, I don't know where it went, but I know it is somewhere.
Hey you guys. Hashtag nails. Like them, don't like them. Thumbs up if you like them, put a thumbs down. Subscribe. Let's do this.
Don't like them. Don't.
So,
hey, comment on those nails. You suck, dude. You suck dick. Just saying. Yeah. Look at that little chubby monster.
hashtag I suck.
Hashtag you do. Dude. Okay, my turn.
Watch me hit this first try.
Yeah, right. You wish. He's about to kick it. Ronaldo run up. And he completely misses.
Or maybe second. Or maybe seven. Ooh, that was close.
He's trying to kill me. You guys, hashtag he sucks.
You swallow.
Hashtag I suck more.
Hashtag you swallow.
Hashtag suck it.
Hashtag you jump.
Who? What's your favorite number?
7.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
Ronaldo.
What's your favorite team?
Real Madrid.
Who do you think's gonna?
Ronaldo. Portugal.
Who do you think?
Portugal versus France. Sunday. ESPN 2:30. Sunday.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Portugal. They won last time against Wales.
What do you think it's gonna go down to? What teams?
The score?
No, like the top 2 teams.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like, who do you think are gonna be the top 2 teams? Portugal and who else?
It's either gonna be Portugal or
Argentina?
most likely.
Portugal and Argentina is what he says. Oh! He just hit the crossbar! He just hit it! He just hit it! What do you gotta say?
I gotta say right here.
Hey, do your celebration! Come on!
Oh, that was a nice goal.
Do your celebration! Oh! Crossbar! Okay, now we're gonna switch. Now I'm gonna go try and hit the crossbar. Alright.
Hashtag I suck.
Alright. I hit the right post and the crossbar. Beat that, fool. Bitch. Oh. You better not. In there hard. Hashtag Mini Minter. Shout out to you, my boy.
And subscribe to you as Ryan Putt. Subscribe to us. Post.
Go with your celebration. You're so a celebration stealer. Way too close.
Crossbar!
Way too close.
I'll take that, and it doesn't count.
You didn't hit it.
Yes, I did.
Fine, switch. Okay, we still got
The left post in there.
Yeah, we both still have the left post. I just hit the crossbar in the right post. See what you can do. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? No way, you're doing a Rabona? He's doing a Rabona, folks! But still a goal. There's a goalkeeper in there.
Okay, if you hit
Left post.
any kind of woodwork, then you get another point. If you hit any of the woodworks, then you get another point.
We have to hit all of them twice. Oh, and it's a miss. And now we're going to change.
What, already? No!
I'm kidding. Gosh. He sucks. But I suck more, and that does not count. He was way too close. But that was a good trick. Crossbar.
You suck at back heel, dude.
I want to see you do a back heel crossbar.
Okay, I'm not that good.
Yeah, exactly. And you guys, we're gonna do another video today. We're gonna watch a movie. What movie should we watch?
Utopia!
Sorry, but we can't watch that movie. What movie should we watch on Netflix? It's a goal! What do you guys say?
Awesome!
It's our daily vlog.
Dude, this is our first video. What are you talking about?
It's our daily vlog. First video back on the channel since a long time. Couple months.
Yo, shout out to David Moore. He's my buddy.
David who?
It's David Does Stuff. That's his video.
Okay. Who are you gonna shout out this goal to? He almost hit it.
Oh, come on! Alright. For our first video, we're not gonna do any, like drop beat music or anything.
Hey, can you take this for a sec? I need to fix the goal. Talk to him. Yeah. All right. Who do you think is better, Messi or Ronaldo? Leave it in the comments below. All right.
Now it's my turn.
No, we're trying.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. So it gets one more attempt. What?